The Prophet of God, may God's peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The example of the guidance and knowledge with which I have been sent is that of rain, which falls on some land. Part of it is good and fertile, and it produces grass and pasture. Part of it is dry, and it stores up the water. And Allah benefits the people by it. They drink from it and use it for cultivation. Part of it is a barren plain, which neither retains the water nor produces fresh grass. This is the example of the one who understands Allah's religion and benefits from that with which Allah has sent me, and he learns it and teaches it, and of the one who does not pay it any heed and does not accept the guidance with which I have been sent."